blood groups. First, alleles. Alleles means a gene has two alternative forms. A gene has two alternative forms. These are called alleles. Alleles present at the same loci. Alleles present at the same loci. Same loci of a pair of homologous chromosomes. These are present at the same loci of a pair of homologous chromosomes. Homologous chromosomes. These two alleles forms three genotypes. These two alleles forms three genotypes. For example, these two alleles forms three genotypes. Capital T, capital T, capital T, small t, small t, small t. These are genotypes. Two alleles produce three genotypes. Next, multiple allele. Multiple allele. Multiple allele means more than two alleles. More than two alleles present at the same loci. Present at same loci of a homologous pair of chromosomes of an individual. These are called multiple alleles. Multiple alleles present in the population of a specific organism. This phenomena is called multiple allelism. Multiple alleles present in the specific population of a specific organisms. This is called multiple allelism. Generally multiple alleles cannot observed in the single population. Cannot observed in single person. But it observed in the multiple allelism observed in the population. Multiple alleles cannot observed in a single organism or single person. It is observed in the population. Multiple alleles contain three alleles. These three alleles gives six genotypes. Genotypes are calculated by n into n plus 1 by 2 equal to 3 genotypes. 3 alleles, 3 into 3 plus 1 by 2 equal to 6. 3 alleles forms 6 genotypes. 2 alleles gives 3 genotypes. 3 alleles gives 6 genotypes. ABO system was proposed by Carl Landsteiner. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1930. ABO blood group depends on the presence or absence of antigens. ABO system depends on the presence or absence of antigens on the plasma membrane of RBC. Important. ABO system depends on the ABO blood group depends on the presence or absence of antigen on the plasma membrane of the RBC. On the plasma membrane of the RBC. Antigens. Antigens are, these are carbohydrate group. These are carbohydrate group. Sugar polymers. These are bounded lipid layer, lipid molecules. These are sugar polymers bounded lipid molecules. These are protruded from the plasma membrane of RBC. These are protruded from, antigens are protruded from the plasma membrane of RBC. Antigens are made up of sugar polymers and lipid molecules. Antigens also called isoagglutinogen. Isoagglutinogen. Antigens also called isoagglutinogens because these antigens react with antibodies of other persons to form clump. These antigens react with antibodies of other persons to form clump. So these are called agglutinogens. Isoagglutinogens. Antigen, agglutinogen. Blood group A person have. This is RBC. This is plasma or serum. Blood group A person. Blood group A person contains A antigen. Antigen A. A blood group person contain antigen A on the surface of RBC. A blood group person contains plasma contains B antibody. B antibody. A antigen. Blood group A person contains A antigen on the plasma membrane of RBC, but its plasma or serum contains B antibodies. Blood group B person contains B antigen. B antigen on the plasma membrane and its serum contains A antibody. AB blood group. AB blood group person contains AB blood group person contains RBC. Surface of RBC contains A, B, A, B, A, B. AB blood group person contains A and B on the surface of RBC. Surface of RBC. Antibodies are absent in AB blood group person. AB blood group person antibodies are absent. O blood group person RBC does not any antigens, but plasma contains A and B antibodies. Important. A group person contains RBC contain A antigen, B group person contains B antigen, AB blood group persons contains both A and B antigens on the RBC. But O blood group person does not contain any antigen on the surface of RBC. Antibody A and antibody B. Antibody A and antibody B are called isoagglutinins. Isoagglutinins are isohemoagglutinins. Agglutinins. These causes agglutination. Agglutination means clumping. These react with antigens of other person's blood group during the mismatch blood transfusion. Antibody A and antibody B are IgM antibodies. IgA, A and B antibodies are IgM type of antibodies. Antibodies are different types. IgM is one of the type. Antibody A and antibody B are IgM type of antibodies. Antigens are three loci. The three types of alleles of the gene indicates I letter. This gene present on the ninth chromosome. The alleles are IA, IB and I or IO. IA allele produce antigen A. IB allele produce antigen B. IO allele does not produce any antigen. IA and IB are codominant. IA-IB are codominant. IO is recessive. recessive. It does not produce any type of antigen. In these three types of alleles, a child can receive any one type of allele from each parent. From each parent, any one type of allele receives each parent. These produce 6 types of genotypes. 6 types of genotypes. These are IA, 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 IO, IB, 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 IO, IA, IB, IO, IO. These are 6 types of genotypes. These are 6 types of genotypes. Genotypes 6. IA, 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 IO. These produce A antigen. These produce A antigen. IA, IB. Sorry. This indicates A blood group. A blood group. IB, IB or IB, IO indicates B blood group. B blood group. IA, IB indicates AB blood group. AB blood group. IO indicates O blood group. O blood group. Genotypes are 6. Phenotypes are 4. Phenotypes are 4 phenotypes. 6 genotypes. 3 alleles produce 6 genotypes. 4 phenotypes. The blood groups are identified by the mixing of antiserum with the blood. Antiserum. Antiserum contains A, B antibodies. Antiserum contains A antibodies, B antibodies. When the blood is clumped with the mixing of anti-A antibody, when the blood is clumped with the mixing of anti-A antibody, it is called A blood group. A blood group. When blood is clumped with the mixing of B antibody, it is called B blood group. When the clump is formed with the mixing of antibody A and clumped with antibody B, this blood group is called AB blood group. AB blood group. There is no clumping with the mixing of anti-A or anti-B antibodies. This blood type is called O blood group. O blood group. Importance of ABO blood grouping in the transfusion. Donor antigens, recipient antibodies. Bodies are more considerable during the blood transfusion because donor donates 350 ml of blood. Donor donates 350 ml of blood. Recipient contains 4 or 5 liters of blood. 5 liters of blood. Donor has more antibodies because more blood present in the recipient. Donor donate 350 ml of blood. These contain less antigens. These antibodies react with antigen. More antibodies react with antigens to form clumping. To form antigen-antibody complex. Antigen-antibody complex. This forms clumping. So, more importance during the transfusion of blood in the donor antigens and recipient antibodies. Important. Donor antigens. Less importance in the donor antibodies and recipient antigens, because donor donate less antibodies, recipient contains more antigens, so clumping is likely clumps form during this transfusion. So this is less importance. More importance is donor antigens and recipient antibodies. The O group, no precipitation present the O group, because O group does not have any antigens on the surface of RBC plasma membrane. So O group is universal donor. AB blood group has no antibodies. AB blood group has no antibodies on the plasma. So AB blood group is universal recipient because there is no clumping or no agglutination.